Introducing the Intuitive Hour, Awaken Your Inner Voice, with psychic medium, author, and intuitive life coach, Michelle Beltran. The Intuitive Hour will empower you to learn how to magnify the powers of your intuitive voice. Listen in and expand your understanding of what it means to be psychic and how to awaken, amplify, and trust your inner voice.
Hello, everyone. Welcome. This is the Intuitive Hour, Awaken Your Inner Voice. I'm your host, Michelle Beltran. It is so very good to have you all back here today with me for another episode of psychic development and intuition and all matters related to psychic phenomena and even health and wellness. All right. If you've ever wanted to supercharge your thinking, today's podcast just might be the answer. Today is about using the rules of Feng Shui to supercharge your intuition, the thinking that reveals what isn't easily seen or known. Intuition is in our nature. We're born with it. If you're not sure, check out my podcast on intuition. You'll not only realize you have it, you'll realize you've been making use of it all your life. Intuition is not supernatural or mysterious. It's a subconscious happenstance that comes with being human and aware. Feng Shui isn't mysterious or supernatural either. How we feel in our surroundings has a lot to do with how productive and creative we are. Feng Shui is a system for arranging your surroundings in harmony and balance with the natural world around you. It's a system of spatial laws developed by the Chinese to encourage the favorable flow of energy through our living space. This favorable flow is accomplished through furniture arrangements and building orientations. The logical approach here is to combine what we know about our intuition with what we know about Feng Shui. The combination of both promises positive results. So today's simple lifestyle, Feng Shui, is all about simple ways to prime yourself to listen more to your intuitive knowingness. When you clear away life's noises, it opens up a way for you to listen more to your own voice. A voice that gets set aside by the clamor and clatter of day-to-day routine. Intuition is our protector, giving us a gut feeling about a decision or situation that always works to our advantage. Okay, so here's how to get started opening wide the channels of your intuition. First, clear away any clutter and work to get more light and air in. Wash those windows. Let things go that you don't need. Next, you'll want to get a copy of a Bagua map. A Bagua map is essentially an energy blueprint for your home. Bagua is spelled B-A-G-U-A, and it means 8 sides. If you look at the Bagua map, you'll see that it has 8 sides and a center. This is the key to your perfect setting up of your Feng Shui home. Finally, you'll want to incorporate the 5 Feng Shui elements: fire, water, earth, metal, and wood into your spaces according to the layout of your home's Bagua map. For example, to attract prosperity, introduce wood and water into the southeast area of your house. Some other quick tools to balance your home and increase your powers of intuition. First, add color. This will bring emotional, physiological, and cultural content to your life. Be aware of adding in sound. Music is a powerful way to uplift the chi in any environment and can soothe a stressful home or office. Add in full spectrum lighting to bring in all the natural light you can. Art. The specific selection and placement of your art is essential. It will bring positive feelings and images and emotion in your home and workspace. Growing things. Healthy plants and flowers and silk plants are also something to consider, but put them where light is limited. My favorite, water features, fountains and aquariums. This stimulates the movement of chi in and around your house and your office space. Wind-sensitive objects and items like wind chimes, mobiles, banners, flags, or other weather vanes. This will attract the chi into your environment as well. And last, mirrors and crystals. These two items will serve to divert the chi around structural flaws or where there is no space for any other cure. Creating a new and helpful environment for yourself and purifying your intuitive pathways will mean a calm and more centered life. At this point, I would also like to refer you to the episode of Creating a Sacred Space here at the Intuitive Hour. That episode combined with this one is going to assist you in creating a wonderful, light, grounded, healthy, and happy environment. All right, everyone. This is our episode for today. I look forward to seeing you all next Monday.
Thanks for listening to the Intuitive Hour. If you're inspired to take your intuitive development to the next step, be sure to enroll in Michelle's newly released Kickstart Your Intuition e-course at michellebeltran.com.